So you watch Mark doing way over to the right. The smoke we see trailing out the back there. Mark uses diesel. It's pumped onto his exhaust system to leave that lovely smoke trail for us. Started doing air shows a year ago. The Rand Airport Air Show. We've progressed and done every single one of the air shows of the South African Air Show circuit this year. And really, his flying has improved a billion times, Brian, and giving us an awesome display here today.
He's really enjoying his flying, is Mark Beckley. And it's nice to see Boeing Stearman in air shows. The big thing is that this is a very popular aircraft. It's used extensively at air shows around the world. And majority of the guys use it for wing walking. It's a very stable platform. And of course for Barn, who of course is known to everybody, he's got one down at Stellenbosch. And of course there he really can pull out all the stops. Mark Beckley, who brought this aircraft out from the United States.
Mark just hanging there at the moment. He's on the stall. You can see it just hanging off the stall there. That'll be at a whole 60 odd miles an hour, probably at about 62, 63, because it stalls at 61. Mark just letting it hang nice and slowly as he shows it off to us here. A very nice display by Mark, and we thank him very much for coming across today to share with us this lovely, lovely machine. Cheers.